Now I try to find the suture bigger like this, and then you can see clearly. This, the white one, it means the long suture with the left hand. Hold the short part of suture with the thumb and the middle finger, and hold the suture with the end of the finger. Not hold like this. And also, don't leave too long suture, and use the index finger to touch the long suture, long part of suture, and to hold the short suture up. Hold the suture up and release the middle finger. Use the thumb and the index finger to hold the short part of the suture. And this time the suture, you see, is going up your finger like this. And left hand is up, right hand is down. Use the middle finger to push. This, we finish the first type. Right hand, middle finger, and the thumb hold the suture. Use the index finger, touch the long suture.
第一节再打一遍。
对，第一节大家，我就第一节。And touch the long suture, and try to hold the short part of the suture and go outside the ring. And release middle finger. Thumbs and the index finger hold suture outside the ring, and right hand up, left hand is down, and finish first one. Use the middle finger to push. Left hand hold the long suture is down, and the right hand is up. Hold the suture with the thumb and the middle finger. And index finger go inside the short part and touch the long suture. And hold the short part of suture outside the ring. And release. Hold the suture with the thumbs and the index finger. Now, left hand is up, right hand is down. Use the middle finger to push and finish. Now you should know how to use the hand to type. Next class, I will introduce you how to use the instrument to type. Once more. First type. Use right hand, the thumbs with the middle finger to hold the suture, short part of the suture. Left hand hold the long part of the suture. And use the index finger to touch the long suture and go here to hold the short part of the suture and outside the note, outside the ring, outside the note. Now release the middle finger and the thumb. Hold the suture with the thumb and the index finger. And left hand is up, right hand is down. Use the middle finger to push. Now we start at next type. Have you see? When you finish first type, you use the middle finger to push the segment of the suture this segment, the end of suture is up. And still use the index with the thumb hold. And arm is up. Use the sharp, long segment of suture. Put on your. Use the middle finger to hold the sharp part. The same, yeah. Use the middle finger and the forefinger to hold the suture. Come outside the ring. When the suture outside the ring, and release the index finger and the thumb. Release. And thumb to hold the suture with the middle finger again. You see, like this. And use the index finger to move the suture to the end. It's coming to the beginning. And you see that? I do the second one again. Second one, beginning with suture is up your finger with thumbs and index finger to hold the suture. And long part of the suture is up. So use the rest of the finger to touch the sharp suture. And turn your hand. And rest the long suture in palm part of the finger. Use the middle finger to hold the sharp part of the suture and release index and thumb's finger. Hold the suture with the middle finger and the forefinger. And take the suture outside the ring. And use the thumb to hold the suture with the middle finger. You see, it's coming to the very beginning. Yeah? And use the index finger. This time, the left hand is down. Right hand is up. Use the index finger to hold. So coming to the very beginnings of time. Doesn't matter, slowly. Let's start beginning. Right hand hold the long suture this side. And use the right hand hold the suture with the middle finger and the thumb hold. Use the index finger to hold the long suture and to try to find the sharp part of the short suture and turn the finger up. Hold the suture with middle finger and the index finger. And now up the right and left hand and down the right hand. Use the middle finger to push and finish first one. And let's start the next, because when you finish the first type, your middle finger is already ready here. And then turn the hand up and rest the long suture between the middle finger and the forefinger. Use the middle finger to hold the suture, to hold the sharp part of the suture between the middle finger and the forefinger. Release the thumbs and the index finger and hold the suture, come outside the ring, and then close your finger, thumb with the middle finger to hold the suture again. Now move the hand up, right, the left hand is down. Use the index finger to move the suture to the end. I think everyone needed more practice. You try to finish first one and then do the second one. Now, left hand is long segment of the suture, this short part of the suture. Go to the long part of the suture. Try to find the short part of the suture and to hold the short part of the suture and to take the short part of suture outside the ring. Hold the suture, go outside the ring and release the middle finger and use the thumb to hold the suture with the index finger. Become like this. The suture is going up. Left hand is go up. Right hand is down like this. When you finish first one and the 10 finger, use long suture, just left to the middle finger and the forefinger, and use the middle finger. Try to hold the suture with the middle finger. The middle finger and the forefinger to hold the suture. Take the suture, come outside the ring. Come outside the circle. When the segment, short one, outside the ring, and use the thumb to hold the suture. And this time, the left hand is down, its right hand is go up. And then finish the second one. And then start again the same first one, and the second one, and the first one, and the second one, and the first one, and the second one. Tied a very good note, need more practice. Even me, I graduated from the university. 2 years after the graduate, I'm still practice with the family suture to practice the finger, how to tie. That needed more practice. And for the student graduate, you should finish 16. Now we first time and the second time we make a 2 note. We make it a 2 note. You should finish 16 note in 1 minute. And then you can pass the test. So today the class will be finished now. If you can follow my lesson today, please re-look again the video. And in the next class, I will teach you how to use the instrument, how to tie the note. And second, we needed to learn how to stitch, different types of stitch. 12 October, we will be the next class. Next class, we need a needle with a needle holder and a forceps and scissors. Okay, see you next time.